Hey, don't be sad. Are you FaceTiming? I'm so sorry.
No, I'm not FaceTime.
Where are you getting?
That was in there. The empanada.
Did they say anything about our bags?
Yeah, they still bring luggage.
Okay, thank you. So this is the room. It's nice and spacious. Here is the little bathroom. It has a shower. Okay, now here we have closets. There's actually 2 separate closets. And then here, there's another closet with some shelves. And then we have some drawers and a little safe. Okay. We have a place to charge your phone. A little TV. Well, it's actually a nice size television. Look, hold on. What do we see? What do we see? Look. We haven't left yet. Okay. So, here's the little bed. Well, actually, I don't know why I keep saying little. It's a nice size bed. Yeah. And here is me. We are waiting on our bags. We already ate. I'm stuffed, like overly stuffed. And I have a bottle of wine. But
Hey family, it's Kendall Fire here again. Just reminding you once all that we need to get everybody.
oh Lord, every time. Here she goes. So I missed the sell away party because I was waiting on my bags. So I got my plate. They didn't have any bacon, any butter. Oh.
Liquor heavy. Yeah. Which, I mean, it has sweet vermouth in it, so.
Martini? Which one?
Come join us in the mixologist.
All right, what about this one? Okay, what about this one?
I'm so full that I'm about to pop.
Hey, don't be sad. Are you FaceTiming? I'm so sorry.
No.
This is Anna, Chris, me, I'm Sandra.
All right, make some
been a long day. A very long day. I'm tired. And so I'm just gonna call it an early night.
All right.
Fire in the hole, he said. It feels really good out here. My phone dropped. I'm out of there. Look at you. You look like a model. Ooh la la. Okay, so I have a double shot of espresso over ice. Kiss on the lips. It's called with the candy straw. Kiss on the lips.
Don't step on the trip. Don't step on the trail. Tiptoe, cold. Can you keep up with my tempo? Yeah, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the mic.
So we had them split the beds. This should have actually been done prior to our arrival, but y'all look at this. Check it out. Every day it's a new animal. I guess this is a bear, but it's so cute. Now we're back at the room, taking a little break. Oh my goodness, I love cruises. This is awesome. It's amazing. It's fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited. I have been wanting to get back on a cruise for the past 4 years, and I'm just so happy to be here. So we actually had a couple of things planned. We were supposed to go to like a detox class. Of course, how can you go to a detox class and you're tipsy? You know, you've been drinking. That doesn't make any sense. So we didn't go there. And what else were we supposed to go? We were also supposed to go play golf. We didn't do that because we were a little tipsy. And we thought about going to play bingo. They actually have like a lot of different activities for you to do here. It's awesome. But for now, we're just gonna chill. Oh, look at the ocean. So pretty. Everything is pretty. I can't wait to get to Jamaica. Tomorrow we will be in Jamaica at 8 a.m. and I'm so excited. I gotta do my hair. I'm gonna do my hair in another style. Where we sitting? It's a really, really, really nice setup. This is the tempura raw. It looks so good. Even though I don't like it. The sweet potato fries. Banana leaves.
You used to call me on my cell phone.
O'clock here.
Need me one of them.
Amazon.
On one of them balances. Oh, well, what?
Alright, will sanitize beer?
His mom is living in Miami, so
Okay.
anybody's close to Miami, my sister is there, we can give you the hookup on Facebook or whatever.
Okay.
I cannot believe that. I gotta put that in there.
Danielle told me earlier on that you can take the hookah to wherever they wanted, right?
Got you. What is your name and where you from?
Terry from New Orleans.
Terry from New Orleans. I want you to say, Ferry must think a cool breeze. Ferry must think a cool breeze.
And it's me that I love a cool breeze.
Who are you cheering for?
Houston, Texas.
Houston.
Might as well just
On the
take it.
count of 3.
Where are you going?
1, 2, 3.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See.
We touched the sands of in Jamaica, regardless of what bay it is. It's in Jamaica, and we touched it. Bye bye, Jamaica. It's an omelet with mushrooms, cheese, and ham. This is what is this? It looks like a French fry or something. Potato wedge. Okay.
Small one?
Yeah. So pretty. I can't believe I haven't seen any fish. Let's try to be on.
That's a plus 3.
Hey, little napping rabbit.